For hash brown egg skillet, either you can use ground meat or you can use bacon. The recipe for bacon is in the description. There's halal turkey bacon at Costco that you can use. Brown the ground meat with onions, salt, chili pepper, and garlic. And for potatoes, use a separate pan and cook the potatoes for at least about 10 minutes or until they're brown. If you're using fresh potatoes, then make sure you shred the potatoes and squeeze out the liquid in a cheesecloth or malmal. Before proceeding, season with salt and pepper. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and thank you for visiting. Once the potatoes are done, you then add the browned meat in the potatoes and make sure that you mix the potatoes and the ground meat really well. If you're using bacon, then at this point you use bacon instead of the ground meat. Now make dips with the spoon and break an egg into each dip. You can use anywhere from 6 to 10 eggs. If using cheese, sprinkle it at this time. Now cover it and cook until the eggs are done. I like my eggs a little bit runny, so if you do that, make sure that you don't overcook. Serve with ketchup and hot sauce. You can also serve it over a toast. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.